I really like my scale board, but I have an issue. I'm 230 pounds. Although this is deflated, even when I fill this up to 8 or 9 PSI, it still depresses because I'm so heavy. I got a bowling ball that still works decently well, but I wanna try something a little bit different. I wanna take a sphere and a cylinder together to make it a little oval. I had this jig over there that makes circles on a table saw. And the idea is I'm gonna take these, I'm gonna make them with different radiuses and then just glue them all together. I don't have a lot of flat pieces like this. I'm gonna take a bunch of these random offcuts, glue them together, and then maybe tomorrow I'll start the process once I have like 8 of these together. All right, it's been about a week since I made my my plates, so it should have only taken a day. We're gonna make some circles out of these, and then we're gonna put them all together to make an oval. Please don't do anything that I'm doing here. This is probably not the safest way to do it. Probably other better ways to make circles, and I don't know how to do that, so you should not take advice from me. Okay, so we have all of our circles for the most part. They're all different diameters and they're symmetrical. So the biggest ones are in the middle, then the second biggest, third biggest, and so on and so forth. The idea is to glue these all together and then just kind of sand them down with the tools I have. I did break a few. I had some extra particle board that I used. It's not super dense, but it probably would do just the same as the glued pieces together. I might make one more circle to make it kind of oval and then glue it all together, and we'll see you tomorrow. All right, let's see how this works. Ooh, looks more like a ball. I wanted it to be longer. This is just as long as it is tall, and this is just, obviously that's what a ball is. So, man, I wonder if that means I have to make more. All right, and it looks like we have a thing. Now to sand. Okay, I got a thing. Now, I could probably sand this a lot more. I think I even messed up over here because I put a bigger diameter circle and a lower diameter and a smaller diameter circle out of order. I'm almost done with it, and I have like a secret weapon as seen on TV. I got Flex Seal. The goal is to make this a little bit smoother. Hopefully this has some adhesive properties that will get in these little cracks and kind of like seal it up, because I don't think if I stand on this right now with a balance board, it's gonna hold up. But let's see what this can do. This is ridiculous. Man. Who's there? All right, it's been a few days and I have a thing. It looks kind of ratty, as you can see, but we're gonna give it a go. Hopefully it doesn't break on me. All right, I'm gonna use my skill board. Let's see if we can't just hop on. Oh. All right, the fact that it's not, oh God. The fact that it's not, the fact that it's not actually smooth is very difficult, is very troublesome. This is so hard. Oh, I didn't think it was gonna be this difficult. That, but I guess it rolls back and forth somewhat well. Can we shove? I guess. I honestly thought the board was gonna rest on like all of these and it wasn't gonna be so hard to balance, I guess. It wasn't gonna be so jaggedy and rickety, but it's not smooth at all. All right, well, what I really wanted to do with this, I wanted to turn it to the side and see if I couldn't get it on like that, like on top. It's definitely a fun little change of pace from a cylinder and a sphere. Wow, this is hard. This way. And then kind of like, what? What is the matter? All right, what if I can go the other way? Oh, there it goes. Now it's breaking. Came apart. The wood glue didn't hold because I didn't plane these because I don't have a planer. I mean, might as well try to do it just half, huh? Oof. I'm gonna fall right on my face, I just know this. Oh, it's so rickety. All right, I wonder if I could get on that part of it. I can't, oh! It actually turned for me, but it broke. Dang. All right, well, this is, I guess, somewhat of a bust. I kind of knew this was gonna happen. I'm actually surprised it lasted as long as it did. You know what, I'm gonna see how long it takes for me to actually break this entire thing. Oh, God. Ah, come on back. We learned gluing pieces of wood that are not, they don't have a lot of surface area that touches them, probably won't stay together. The other thing that we learned is sanding down the connection between two of these circles probably is a really good idea. So it needs to be smoother and it needs to be actually flush and planned out well. I actually learned a little bit about this spray on rubber. It actually does decently well if you try to spin on it. And it actually does decently well for gripping, which is probably two things that are completely at the opposite ends of the spectrum. I'm definitely gonna try this again. If you guys have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all next time, and hopefully I'll end up with a better product.